This is a Yugoslavian LPD chemical decontamination kit. These were issued to Yugoslavian soldiers along with their gas masks during the Cold War to help counteract the effects of any chemicals a soldier may have been exposed to. It is packaged in a metal tin, which is very similar to a tin issued to US soldiers during World War II. To open the tin, you simply pull this metal tab up and it comes right open. See the inside? First thing you notice is this bit of tissue paper. Once you pull this tab, the cardboard container in the inside rises up to show you everything that comes in the kit. So starting from the right, we have cotton balls packaged inside a shrink-wrapped plastic tube. In here, it contains atropine, baking soda, blood agent antidotes in ampules, and decontaminating powder wrapped in more tissue paper. You can see these all have a 1978 date on them. Take a look inside the blood agent antidote tube. Twist the cap off. It's packaged in ampules. Now these would be broken and placed inside the gas mask. If you enjoyed the video, Cold War era decontamination kits like this one are somewhat difficult to find in the US. I haven't really seen any other videos showing the contents. I will have more videos on the rest of the decontamination kits in my collection coming out very soon.